Hello students. Now in this question, we need to fill the blank by these two symbols, either a subset or not a subset. So let's see how we'll be doing it. First is set 2, 3, 4 and second is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whether a subset or not a subset, all these elements are here or not, you can say yes sir, 2, 4 and 3, all elements lying here. So it is a subset. Now next is ABC. ABC where you can see, sir, A is not here. So we can say it is not a subset. Third is X is a student of class 11th of your school and X is a student of your school. Obviously the student of class 11 will be student of your school, obviously. So it is a subset. Now X is a circle in the plane. Now X is a circle in the same plane with radius 1 unit. यहाँ पे देखो सर्कल 1 यूनिट का है, यहाँ पे नहीं मेंशन है. Here 2 unit भी possible है, 3 unit भी possible है. Because all these circles are not lying here, so it is not a subset. Next is X is an equilateral triangle in the plane. X is a triangle in the same plane. So obviously equilateral triangle is also a type of triangle. So it will consist. Equilateral triangle will be here also. So we can say yes. X is an even natural number and X is an integer. Even natural numbers are also an integer. So all elements will be lying here. It is a subset. So the last one, X is a triangle in the same plane. In a plane, and X is a rectangle. Triangle cannot lie in rectangle. They both are different. We say it is not a subset. Now students, second question. We have to just state which statement is true, which is not false. The symbols that are used here, not a subset, subset and belongs to. Let's see. Now the first is, this is not a subset. देखो not a subset का मतलब all elements lying here or not. A and B lying here means it is a subset, but it is written not a subset, so we can say it is false. Second, AE. And here X is a vowel of English alphabet. Obviously AE is also vowel, so it is a subset. Subset का symbol है, means it is true. Third is 1, 2, 3 and 1, 3, 5. You can say 2 is not here, so it is not a subset. False. Next is A. Obviously A तो है यहाँ पे, so it is a subset. True है, subset का symbol. Now this A belongs to here. देखो belonging to नहीं है. Belonging to कब होता? जब ये ऐसा लिखा होता. अगर ऐसा होता तो हम बोलते true है because this element is lying here. But for this it is false. X is an even natural number less than 6. Less than 6 में even natural numbers क्या होंगे? 2 and 4. These two are less than 6 and even natural number. And which divides 36 natural number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, then 9, 12, then 18, then 36. So you can see this 2 and 4 lying here. So it is a subset. Symbol भी subset का है. It is a true statement. Now next question we have to check which of the following statement is correct and why. Let's see here. We have symbols that we already know. Epsilon means belonging to, and this is a symbol of subset. Now the first is this 3, 4 is a subset of this is not. देखो बेटा 3, 4 set is an element. ये जो 3, 4 set है ना, this is an element here. So element के तो subset नहीं बोल सकते. This is wrong statement I will say. Second is 3, 4 belongs to this. Yes, 3, 4 element में इसका belonging to means ये left hand side वाला element होना चाहिए. This is correct. Now this set के अंदर जो है क्या वो इसका element है? This is a subset of this. Subset चेक करने का तरीका ये होता है कि subset में जो braces के अंदर जो भी लिखा है वो चेक करो यहाँ पे है क्या. तो ऑब्वियसली ब्रेसेस के अंदर आप देखो ये 3, 4 है सेट में, 3, 4 सेट यहाँ पे है. जैसे इस क्वेश्चन में क्या था, 3, 4 एलिमेंट नहीं है, सेट है. तो हमने क्रॉस किया था, दिस इज ट्रू। नाउ 1 बिलोंगिंग टू दिस सेट, यस ट्रू। 1 इज अ सबसेट, नहीं 1 तो सबसेट नहीं है, दिस इज रॉन्ग। नाउ वैसे तो ये सेट का सिंबल ही नहीं है। 1 to 5, 1 to 5, 1 है, 2 है, 5 है, yes this is a subset of it। now again the same 1 to 5 belong कर रहा है क्या? देखो ये सेट belong नहीं करना है, इसके एलिमेंट belong कर रहा है, पर ये तो बोल रहा है ये सिंबल आ गया एप्सिलॉन का, तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड should be belonging to, so this set is not belonging here, so this is wrong। 1 2 3, again 1 2 3 is not belonging to, elements are sorry 1 2 3 are sets, so 1 और 2 तो है, but 3 इसके अंदर है, इंडिविजुअल 3 नहीं है, दिस इज अ सिंगल एलिमेंट 3 4, so सिंगल 3 यहाँ पे नहीं है, so we'll say this is wrong। 5 belongs to here, क्या 5 दिख रहा है क्या यहाँ पे? No, so this is wrong। now 5 is a subset of A, yes 5 is a subset of every set, this is correct। now this is 5 is subset, no देखो ये 5, this is not an empty set, this is a singleton set whose one element is which is having one element and that is 5, so यहाँ पे कोई भी element 5 नहीं है, this is wrong, right? So this question will help you to understand the concept of subset and the epsilon symbol belongs to. By solving this question you will be very much comfortable with this subset symbol and the belongs to symbol, okay? Now in this question we have to write all the subsets of the given set. First is how many elements here? Only one element is here, so how many subsets? 2 to the power 1 2, 5 is a subset of every element, so we'll write 5, then we'll write a set A। how many subsets? 2 to the power 2 4 means 5 A B and AB। next 1 2 3 2 to the power 3 8, 5 1 2 3 1 2 1 3 2 3 and 1 2 3। last we have an empty set, so empty set का कितना होगा? so we can write only 5 will be there। now suppose करो if you have like this, so this is a singleton set 2 to the power 1, so these subsets will be what? this, so that I have added an extra question, okay? now we have next question, question number 5th। how many elements in the power set of A? if A is 5, 5 is an empty set, so empty set है तो number of elements कितना होगा? 0, so number of elements I can write in PA, the formula is 2 to the power n, 2 to the power 0, how many elements will be? 1, and that element will be empty set 5। now next question, write the following as interval, as I have already told, open interval, close interval। open interval में the corner two values are excluded, and in closed interval corner two values are included। सेमी ओपन में इंक्लूड एक्सक्लूड दोनों होता है। नाउ लेट्स सी x इज द रियल नंबर। देखो बेटा रियल नंबर्स के लिए वी ऑलवेज यूज इंटरवल्स, रिमेंबर दिस, रियल नंबर्स के लिए इंटरवल्स यूज होता है। नाउ व्हाट इज रिटर्न ग्रेटर देन -4 एंड लेस देन 6, तो हर क्वेश्चन में पहले आप ऐसा लिखो लाइक -12, -10, 0, 7 and 3, 4। नाउ इक्वल टू साइन यहाँ पे देयर यू विल यूज क्लोज इंटरवल, एंड जहाँ पे इक्वल नहीं है ओपन इंटरवल। तो देखो -4 पे इक्वल है क्या? नो। ओपन 6 पे है यस, क्लोज, ओपन ओपन, देन क्लोज ओपन, क्लोज एंड ओपन, क्लोज क्लोज, क्लोज क्लोज। So are you getting how to write it in interval form? Real numbers जहाँ पे भी आएंगे we have to write it in interval form. Now question number 7 is just opposite of the last question. The last question that was given in set builder form and we were writing it in interval form. Now it is given in interval form and we have to write it in set builder form. So now how to write it in set builder form? So I always tell that you always write x any alphabet, then sign of colon. Whenever you have intervals, obviously x belongs to a real number. and next is this interval, all values between -3 to 0, open bracket है, so -3 less than x less than 0, 6 to 12 क्लोज है, 6 less than equal to, क्लोज में इक्वल टू आ जाए, 6 and 12, 6 पे ओपन and 12 पे क्लोज, -23 and 5, so -23 पे ओपन and 5 पे क्लोज. Okay.